starting from the bottom. No computer.
Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another unboxing of some Disney Mystery Keychains. Now, if you guys have been following me for quite some time, you know that I collect these Disney Mystery Keychains that you can commonly find at Hot Topic. I know you can find them other places, probably online like Amazon, eBay. I know I've seen them there. Now, I don't have that many to unbox with you guys. I only have 4 of them, but I absolutely love these type of videos. Any type of unboxing, really, I love to watch. So I decided to make it its own dedicated video instead of throwing it into my Hot Topic shopping haul, which is coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I apologize that it's a little bit on the shorter side, but I thought it would be fun, something different that I don't think I've done in a very long time. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so like I said, I have 4 mystery keychains and they're all from the same collection, so I'll just show you the packaging of one of them. And here is what it looks like right here. So these are the Disney figural bag. I apologize. They're not called keychains anymore. They're called bag clips. So figural bag clips. I don't see the name of them on here, but if you can kind of tell from all of the different options on the front of the packaging, these are all of it like Disney dogs that you have in various Disney movies like Lady and the Tramp, 101 Dalmatians. They even have characters from like Fox and the Hound and Oliver and Company. And then they do have a couple exclusive options as well that are like what I like to call mystery keychains, because you really don't know what you really don't know what you're gonna get. So there you go. Now you can kind of see like a better look of the front of the packaging, and then when you turn it over, that's where you can see all of the possible options that you can get. So I hope you guys can see that okay. So we'll just start telling you all what you could possibly get, starting from this row. So of course that first dog right there is Lady from Lady and the Tramp, and then you have Tramp right next to her. Next is Tito, which is one of the little Chihuahua dogs from the movie Oliver and Company. Then you have a couple Dalmatians from 101 Dalmatians, Pongo and Perdita, which are the parents. And now going down to this row, that first dog right there is Dodger, which is one of the main dog characters in Oliver and Company. Next, you have the little hound dog named Copper, which is the dog from Fox and the Hound. The next one is the little poodle in the middle, and that is Georgette, one of the dogs from Oliver and Company. And then you have this little shaggy dog right here, Colonel, and he is from 101 Dalmatians. And then here are what the 2 mystery keychains look like. So you have exclusive A and then exclusive B. I would absolutely love to get Lady and Tramp together. I think that's probably like my top choices. And then I think, I don't know who else I would like. I kind of want Copper because I love the Fox and the Hound, but I would also want Todd the fox with him, even though Todd is a fox. I kind of wish they would have had him on here because that would be really cute to get Todd and Copper together. And of course the Dalmatians are really cute too, but I think we're gonna make that our goal for this unboxing, to get Lady and Tramp. Will I get them? Probably not, because very rarely do I get the keychains that I want, and most of the time I always end up getting repeats. But that's also one of my favorite things about ordering these keychains online, is because that kind of takes the stress out of me of picking out which keychains to get, because obviously they're mystery keychains, so you don't know what you're gonna get, and they do wrap each of the keychains in like this, just a little piece of cardboard, so it's really hard to feel like which keychain it is. Of course, every time I go into a store to get keychains, I'm always like feeling around to see if I can guess which keychain it is, just so I don't get duplicate, but that usually never works out, so I don't know why I do it every single time. But it's always so stressful because I'm always so nervous that I'm gonna get repeats or I'm gonna get ones that I don't want. So ordering them online, obviously I don't have the choice on which keychains I get, so it kind of takes the stress out for me. But I'm gonna quit babbling. Let's go ahead and open this one right here. Let's hope for Lady and Tramp. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. So we got one of the mystery keychains, and this is, it looks like we got exclusive B, which this is Jock from Lady and the Tramp. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, now we really need Lady and the Tramp. Like, we have Jock, which is one of Lady's friends. So if we got Lady and Tramp, or at least if we got one of them, he could definitely go as a set with one of them. That would be perfect for my collection. Oh my gosh, he is adorable. Seriously. I'll make sure to do like close-ups so you guys can get a better look of what each of these keychains looks like. But oh my gosh, he's so cute. I can't get over it. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the next keychain. Got the bag open. I'm just gonna pull it out without even looking at it. Oh, we got copper. Okay, so we're already 2 out of the 4 out of the way, and so far it's been really good. We got an exclusive mystery keychain that's super freaking adorable. We got copper, which wasn't my top choice, but definitely was a close second. I just love Fox and the Hound. That's just one of those movies that just resonates with my childhood so much, which probably most people wouldn't think of because, you know, I'm so crazy about Disney princesses, and like obviously I still love those movies, and those are like Disney princess movies are like my top fave. But like, I don't know, like Fox and the Hound is just one of those movies like I just clearly remember watching when I was a little kid, like probably like 3 or 4 years old at my grandparents' house. And it's like, when I think about it, I can almost like, I can see their living room perfectly. I can smell just like the scent of their house, and it's like so comforting, you know, when you go to like your grandparents' house or just any of your family members' house, and it just has a certain scent that's like so like safe and comforting. Like whenever I think about this memory, all of that just immediately comes back to me, and I can just see my 3 or 4 year old self like playing with all my toys in the living room, watching the Fox and the Hound. Like I don't know, like that's just one of those like very like subtle childhood memories that has always stayed with me, and it's so comforting to think about, and I think about it every single time I watch Fox and the Hound, and it just makes it one of my favorite movies. So that just makes it so special that now I have a little keychain of copper to always remind me of that movie and that memory. All right, now we're gonna move on to the third keychain. There we go, got it open. Ooh, should I just like feel? Maybe I'll feel and see if I can guess. I don't feel any like floppy ears. Wait a minute, hold on, I need to look at the pictures. I almost want to say it feels like Lady, but she kind of has floppy ears, so that wouldn't make sense. I can't think of who else this would be because I feel like all the other ones have like very, or it's probably Georgette. It's Georgette. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's Georgette. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. Oh my god, look at her little bow in the back. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm not mad at this keychain because like I love Georgette. That's one of my favorite parts in Oliver and Company, like when she's like singing her song. I just love her room, and like I don't know why, but I love the part where she's like going down the stairs. I don't know, I'm weird like that. So I'm not mad at this keychain because I love Georgette and I love Oliver and Company. I feel like Oliver and Company is definitely one of those movies a lot of people don't talk about, and it's a freaking fabulous movie. All right, everyone. So we're on our last one. So obviously we're not going to get Lady and Tramp. There's still a chance we could get one of them, which would be great because I do have Jock. So let's just go ahead and cut open our last keychain. Here, I'll let you guys peek first. Is it good? Is it bad? Can you even see it? Okay, all right. Oh man, I knew we were gonna get a repeat because I always get flippin' repeats. But at least it's a really cute one, and I'll definitely give this to my sister because I told her if I get any repeats, which there's a great chance I will, I'll give her any repeats. So I feel like she's gonna be really excited about this one. So yeah, kind of a fail of an unboxing because I didn't get Lady or Tramp, but I'm pretty excited about the keychains that I got. so that is it for this Disney Mystery Keychain or bag clip unboxing. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'm going to get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone!